For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos.
The 3 best exercises for a nicer looking butt. When you think about it, a big butt used to be something that many people avoided. But today, as you all noticed, having one has become a trend to the extent that many people are literally dying to make their butts bigger and nicer looking. And because of this, more and more women are back at accepting their curves with arms wide open, and that regardless of your shape and size, they are beautiful no matter what. For women and even men who are looking for the best butt exercises that they can follow, look no further. Below are the 3 best exercises that will help you achieve that amazing looking bum. Number 1. Wide stance barbell squats. The barbell squat won't just help in sculpting a spectacular butt. It also helps in keeping you younger looking for a long time. In fact, it is one of the few exercises that give you a terrific boost in your growth hormone production, which is why many professionals love it more than other booty exercises. Now, you can say the same thing with the squat. The way you do it makes a whole lot of difference. So if you take a wider stance, pointing your toes out, you'll be automatically engaging more of the glute muscles that you want to work on. Just focus on squeezing those glutes hard to make them be on fire and keep them fully engaged when you're standing up from the bottom of the squat. When you're lower down, let your butt relax for a while, then squeeze and work those buns every time you stand up. How much? Once a week of 3 times 8 to 10 reps with a 2-minute rest in between sets. Number 2. Hip thrust and weighted hip thrust. Want to really feel your glutes working? If so, then try the hip thrust and weighted hip thrust exercise. It is great to promote glute activation for those bums of yours that's been lying dormant for far too long. It's also simple to perform even for amateurs, which makes it an ideal butt exercise for everyone. The key here is to keep your hip level normal. Going too low won't fully activate your glutes, and going too high will overextend and hyperextend your spine. How much? Once to twice a week of 3 by 10 to 12 reps with a 60-second rest in between sets. Number 3. Walking weighted lunges. It is widely known in the fitness industry that lunges are great for your butt. However, what some people don't know is that a lunge too short turns into a quad-dominant exercise. It's less on what you do and more on how you do it. When performing lunges, you have to extend your leg a bit further until it's right at 90 degrees when you reach the bottom. Also remember to keep a tall posture and keep your chest up during lunges. Concentrate on driving up your front leg from the bottom of each lunge, then squeeze that glute until it feels on fire. Wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows. So focus on the muscles you want to activate, because many butts are in a sleepy state and need to be engaged to work better. How much? Once to twice a week of 3 times 20 reps, 10 for each leg, combined with a pair of 20-pound dumbbells in hand with a 90-second rest in between sets.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.